Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to talk about list comprehension and generators expressions. Sorry. So let's get started. So I think one of the most common generators that we have been using is range. In many programs we use range, like we say for x in range, then we will give 6 or something, some number, okay, like this. But this does not generate a list, okay, from 1 to 5. Okay, it generates a string in the range from 0 to 5. Okay, and one more thing, but it doesn't save it all into memory. So in Python 2, generator range is not a generator actually, and it stores the entire list in the memory. Okay, but in list comprehension or a list, it will be faster because it's going to use your RAM to store that list. That's the reason it's faster. But on the other side, generators are going to be slower and it's going to use as much memory as and slow. Okay, it's not going to use your much memory. Okay, it uses less memory. Okay, and it's slower with an asterisk because building a list, like it comes when it comes to time to build and save a list into a variable. So now we could build this. So first of all I will give a equals, then I will create here some square brackets, and x for x in range range. So here I will give is 4, and now print a, and here I should give like this, and now I will give is print not a equals to more brackets, then I will give is for x in range, and here I will give is 4, and now dot a dot b append, and x is there, append print a. So now let's run this program. So it's the same output as you can see here. So what I will do is I will give here like this, and here also same, save it and run it again. It's showing 0 1 2 3. Okay, what if I remove this comments from here? It will print the same. Okay, we'll clear up all this one and run it again. So now it's the same output. We have created a list. So now what about the generator? So for that I will give is, everything is there, right? I will, this one is the fact, yeah. So a equals to, I will copy this one, and now here is, I will remove this brackets and give parentheses, and now but here in the line a equals to this line. Okay, these parentheses make the difference because it's not going to store this into memory. So what if we give parent a, and then here at the bottom I will remove all the things, clear up all this one, and now I will give is, copy this line, I will give here is parentheses, and here's the same. Okay, so now I will print a, so now let's run this program. So here one of them is actually a list. okay, and it's in our memory. And the other thing is, and the other one is generator. And what can we do with the generator? So here what I will do is I will use here for loop. So I will clear up this one, and now I will give is for x in range is y a, then here I will give is print x. So now let's run this program again. Okay, showing y for x in a I have given, and then I have given, okay, I am not given here like this. So run it again. Okay, it's printing 0 1 2 3. But the other thing about the generator is that it didn't store that range. Okay, so now what I will do is I will clear up this one, and now I will give is a equals to 4000. Same thing, I will copy this one and paste it here. What is the should give here also? Okay. So now let's run this program again. Okay, I will miss numbers, as you can see. As you can see here, it's printing the numbers from 1 to what I can understand. Okay, it's printing from 1 to 39,000. Okay, so now I will give is I don't want this all the things, right? So I will, in place of a, I will give is completed. I will clear up again and run it again. So now again it's printing, right? For x in range 4000 is there, a equals, oh, we have done this mistake, we should not give that. So here I will give is a, then same, I will clear up this. So like this I want from the time. Okay, it's printing from 1 to 39,999. Okay, so first of all I will give in place of a, I will give is completed, and now I will remove this one and run it again. Okay, it's giving completed and it's showing generator object, generator expression, it's something. Okay, till now we have either created a generator or a list, or either we have created like an interval. Okay, but now every time we are not going to use list, comprehension or generator for doing something. So for that what I will do is I will clear up this one, and now I will clear up all the programs, and now I will create such a program that I will create a list first of all, then I will write such a program that which checks the numbers that are divisible by 5 or not. If that is divisible by 5, then it will print the numbers which are divisible by only 5. So now what I will do is I will give here some random number, and equals to, I will give in the brackets 15 comma some 3 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma, so I will give is 9 comma 20 comma 35 comma some comma 7 comma 7. So now I will give is definition, then divisible, then here in the brackets is I will give a num, and like this. So now if num is modulus 5, right, and I will give as return true, and after that else return false. Then now I will give is I will create ABC equals, then here I will create something that I will give is x for x in random number, comma, not comma, if divisible I will give is x. So now ABC equals square brackets for x in random number, and now I will give is divisible and we will create the brackets, then divisible is there, then we will give abc dot append, and the brackets I will give is x. Okay, so now I will give what I will do is I will comment this block of code. Which one? ABC is there. We have given everything. So now let's run this program or not. I will run it. It's not printing anything. So I will give is ABC is there. I will comment this block of code from here to here, and now I will give is for x in ABC, and then I will give is print x. So now let's run this program. As you can see here, it's printing 15, 5, 20 and 35 because these are the numbers which are divisible by only 5. Okay, so now instead of giving print x for x in these two lines, I will remove these two lines, and I should give here is ABC equals, then square brackets x for x in random number, if divisible in the brackets I will give is x, and now I will give print ABC, and I have to do one more thing, that is which one, ABC is there. Below this I have to give one more thing, that is go here and ABC is there. I will comment this, and I will give the comments, I will give this, right? So print, and then in the brackets I will give is x comma for is there for x in ABC. So now I will give it in the home, I will give not this one, like this. Okay, so now I will give is print ABC. So now let's run this program, check whether it's running or not. Okay, it's showing in the list format, as you can see here 15, 5, 20, 35, because okay, so from the time not this one, I don't want this one. Now I will run this program. Okay, So okay, it's printing in list format. As you can see here, we have given 15 comma 5 comma 3 such and such things. Okay, and now it's printing 15 comma 5 comma 20 comma 35 because these are the numbers which are only divisible by 5. So now what if we'll add one line of code? So for that, what I will do is I will give here at the bottom, will give brackets, then I will give print and x for x in ABC. Let's run it again. It's showing the same. Okay, 15 comma 5 comma 20 is showing the same. So now again what I will do is I will give here, I will make these lines comment here, this one, and this one. Run it again. So it's not showing anything. Okay, so okay, it's generator and it's not a list, right? So now in that case, nothing is going to show in the terminal. I will clear now. So in the last line of our program, when we are changing parentheses to square brackets, it's not showing the numbers which are divisible by 5, right? So what I will do is I will give here and here, run it again. It's showing 15, 20, 25, 20, 35. Okay, so when we are changing the brackets to parentheses, square brackets to parentheses, it's just printing, not this one, it's not printing anything, right? That's the problem. So now let's change and see. Okay, so now what I will do is, it's there, ABC is there, I will remove this one, and now I will give these two brackets. In the brackets I will give is print and x comma xx, then x comma xx is there for xx in range, for x in range, then I will give here is 4, and then I will give is for x in range 4 again. So now let's run this program and see how is it working. Okay, it's showing in the type of combination, right? As you can see here, 0 0 0 0 1 0 3 0 2 0 3 1 0 1 1. Okay, it's showing in the kind of combination. So this may be confusing because we are all embedding all of this into each other. So for that, what I will do is I will give here, where is that? Okay, I will close this one, and now I will give here is add some more lines. Is I will give for x in range, the brackets I will give is 4 like this, and now I will give is for xx in range, and then I will give is 4 again same, print x comma xx. So now here is, where is this? Okay, so here print x comma xx is similar to for x in range. Okay, so now what I will do is I will give again, I will make this one comment. So here is the same, here is the same, and now I will make this one also. So now at the end I will give here is print, in the brackets I will give it x comma xx xx, then beside this I will give this for xx in range, then I will give this 4, and here again for x in range, again 4. Okay, so now let's run this program and see how is it working. So it's actually same. Okay, so you can actually embed these to one linear for loops. Okay, this is known as one linear for loops, and which means that these are, here we are giving for loops, right, but they are in 2-3 lines, and here we have given that in only one line. So instead of using print, what I will do is I will give here ABC. Then here I will come and ABC equals, then I will come at the end again and print ABC. Clear up this one and run it again. So okay, it's printing in the tuple format. As you can see here, comma is there, which means that is tuple, and these are parentheses, not square brackets. So now I will give ABC is there, ABC equals to, I will give is, I will remove this one to square brackets, change to 1, and here is the same. So run it again. So now it's showing in the list format, right? So now I will embed as a generator. So I will give is, everything is there, I will equals there for x6 in range. Let's run this program. So it's showing generator expression. Okay, so now but we can iterate over the generate expression. So for that, what I will do is I will give here random number is there and print ABC. The 31st line I will give is print, and the brackets I will create like this, and now I will give is x for x in ABC. Let's run it again. So now it's, now this one is the list comprehension. Okay, sorry, this one is the list comprehension. So the create of this ABC, is not doing anything because we are building a list. So if you want to iterate over something, right, if you want to iterate that, we need to give is, like I will give here at the bottom print ABC is there. Okay, I will remove this one, and now I will give it for x in ABC and print x. Run it again. So it's showing like this 0 comma again. So I will show you, I want to show you one more thing. For that I will give is like this, ABC is there, ABC equals, and here I will give is same. This one I need to close with that only. So I will give like this, and for x in ABC is there, for x in ABC. Now I will use for xx in x like this, print xx. So now let's run it again. So okay, it's showing like this. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.